If you're looking for a way to rank your gig on Fiverr, this video is for you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to rank your gig on Fiverr. And I'm not going to be wasting any of your time. I urge you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will understand what I am talking about. This is very, very important because so many people, they come here from month to month, they never get any gig. They never get any gig to do. And they are worried. How am I going to be doing it? It's one thing to come to Fiverr, it's another thing to get a gig. So it's not ultimately that when you jump into Fiverr, register, and you get gigs. No, 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 no. You have a lot of competitors. So you need to position yourself properly so that people can see you and click on your gig, then possibly talking to you before you get a gig. There are many people that have been here. I can bet they have never made any dime on Fiverr. So it's not everybody that is here that is making money. It's just few who know how this platform works that are actually making the money. And today you are going to learn step by step how you will handle this, how you will be able to rank and begin to position yourself like others who are the 1% that are actually making the money. Okay, and this ranking system I'm going to show you is going to be taking place in 24 hours. So I am teaching you how to rank your gig on Fiverr in 24 hours. Okay, if this is something that interests you, I urge you to continue watching this video because I am going to take it step by step. Without much ado, I want you to join me. Let's begin right now. If you're here for the first time, my name is Chima. I am the anchorman of Business Exposure. And on here, we'll show you opportunities you can grab and begin to help yourself on your quest for your online adventure. Okay, are you with me? So let's take a look at some of my own personal gig. They're not doing fine, but one is actually outstanding because this one I just get it started. Okay, this one here I get it started, as you can see here. It's having a view of 200 and something in the last 30 days and 24. That's about 10% of people. 10%. I'm getting 10%. I think that is a huge success. I look at this one. This one is 200 and no click. Look at this one. Look at this one. So are you saying this one is making great success? So what tweak did I actually do here that get me to get this kind of exposure and getting this kind of clicks? Okay, this is very, very important. As a matter of fact, from these clicks, I've been having people coming to me because of pricing. We have not agreed. So that's just the point. So some people can come to you because of price, they will go. I don't mind. I have other gigs, I have other things doing. So I'm not really about it. It's not about that. Okay. So this is doing 10%. So I'm going to show you how to get 10 to 20, even 40% of your own gig. Get it to rank so that people can see you and click on it. That's purpose of this video. Okay. Let's get started. I'm assuming you already registered on Fiverr and you have some gigs like this ones here. Okay, you have some gigs registered like this. Okay, so my job today is to show you how to get any of your gig to come up on the first page immediately someone search on your particular keyword. Please pay attention here. Okay, this is the secret I'm going to release to you this morning. How to rank your gig on Fiverr. How to rank your gig on Fiverr. That's exactly what we are talking about on this video, and I'm going to show you step by step how to rank your gig on Fiverr. That is exactly what I am talking about. Are you with me? Okay, let's assume I am a customer and I'm looking for someone who will be able to give me sound effect on my music. Okay, and let's say that's exactly the skill that you have and you're trying to sell on this place. Okay, then I type on this bar sound effect so that I can see top gigs that will pop up. Okay, look at them. Look at this guy here. It's a level 2 guy. Look at this guy, top rated seller according to Fiverr. This level 2 guy. This guy is also top level. You see, these are the guys who are making the money because they are here at any point in time. The moment a buyer comes in and type on the search bar for what they are looking for, Fiverr has a way of popping up gigs to show them. Okay, look at this separate one here. Quick delivery, top quality. Okay, so these are specialized guys who are doing great at Fiverr are proud of them and they are currently racking them specially. Okay, these guys. So if you hear this, because it's Fiverr's top recommendation, you are likely to buy from them. So my job is to help you. What did these guys did that you can do and begin to be a recommended guy? That's what this video will show you. Okay, step number 1, do an eye-catching image. Okay, Fiverr plays a huge price on gig graphics. Okay, I'm talking about something like this, okay. Fiverr plays, look at something like this, okay. Fiverr plays importance on your kind of image you place on your gig. Very, very important. There are dimensions. Okay, by now you should be able to know that that's not what I'm going into, but do a very eye-catching graphics. If you don't know how to do graphics for your gig, go over to canva.com to begin to use Canva to come up with a very eye-catching like this guy here. Okay, if I'm here searching for sound effects, I'm likely to click on this guy's stuff because it's eye-catching. I'm likely to click on this guy's stuff because it's eye-catching. I'm likely to click on all these top images. I'm likely to click on them because they are speaking to me. Okay, so please, number 1, do an eye-catching graphics. Okay, now if you have done your graphics, let us go to step number 2. Step number 2 is to come here and analyze top titles on these gigs. Okay, let's see something that is very, very common on these gigs. I'm searching for sound effect. Okay, so look at this. This guy said, I will make you sound effect. Take notes. This one said, I will add music or sound effect. Look at this. I will do design or effect for games. Okay, this I will create a video game, or I will create a video game sound effect for your game project. This guy said, I will create sound effect for your game or app. This guy said, I will make custom sound and sound effect for your, I don't know whether you're getting these guys. What is common to them, or these titles, what is common to them all is that all of them carries the keyword sound effect. Are you getting me? This is very, very important. So go over to your gig title and here, make sure you come here, look at your own keyword, the keyword you're trying to rank. Okay, look at how, just go to search bar and type it. Look at the top keywords, the top gigs that appeared. Follow exactly, copy what they have done. So step number 2, follow what these guys have done. As simple as that. So you can go and do your own. I will make sound effect for your game. Awesome. Just type it that way. Come to your title. Very, very, this is the ultimate. If you get it here, you've gotten the whole thing. Very short and sweet. Look at this one. It's about 38 out of 50. Very clear. Say, I will create June analytic dashboard for you. Simple. That's exactly what Canva is looking for. Short and simple, like this guy. Okay, very simple, and that's why he's number 1. And look at, he's charging $300. 52 people has paid so far. Okay, and he has 5% stuff. Okay, so they are here. So what if I am doing this right now? I will change my my title to I will make I will make sound effect for your games. I will just come on my gig title and type, I will make sound effect on your title. As simple as that. Just copy what these guys are doing. It's the same thing. These are the guys that are ranking. So just do what they are doing. Now you will be here with your grades. I've said it. Number one is your graphics. Number two is your title. This is the secret behind ranking of any gig on this place. No matter how competitive, it's going to be ranking within within 24 hours. You just see your gig popping up. There's a secret. Okay, so make sure you copy what these guys are doing. The first guys, I just recommend the first set of guys, look at them, harmonize your own. Do your own title to rhyme with what they have here. The same thing for me. Just do it. And you will be dragging this piece with them. Okay? That is step number two. Do your graphics, number one. Then number two, your title. I have explained vividly what you should be doing on your title. Okay? There is another place that is very, very important. Every other thing you'll be doing is addition. Now, let me show you step number three. Step number three. Look at the suggested keywords. Are you seeing them? Are you seeing these suggested keywords? Okay. These are power. They are linked to this. They are related to this. Okay. So copy these guys here. Copy these keywords as you see them. Copy them down and go over to the jig you want to edit. Come over here and type those keywords. Okay. Search tag. Just come here. Suggested. Carry the keywords as you see them here. Go over to search tag and put them. As simple as that. So this is the three-legged strategy. The three-leg strategy that pump up your gig on the top of the search of any niche on this platform. Okay, these are the three key strategy that pump up your gig on top of any list, and you'll be here. You're going to thank me for the secret I'm revealing to you. This is awesome. Super glad doing this for you so that you will learn. I want you to get something in the next 24 hours. Someone can come to you and begin to buy from you. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Now, let me also inform you. This is just an addition. From this place, it means that there are about 627 gigs on this keyword. Okay, so the secret I've just reviewed, you can use it, apply to your own. Then, no matter the competition you have, and you're going to be ranking on the first page. That's a secret. So, let me repeat step number one. Do a very eye-catching graphics. Number two, pay attention to your title, gig title. Do exactly what these guys at the top here have done on their title. You are going to come up. Then thirdly, come over here, suggested keyword, take them and go over to your search tag and add them. That's all. That's all. That's all. And you watch your gig pop up. Okay, I want to thank you so much for watching this video and trusting that you have learned the secret of ranking your own gig on Fiverr. If you do this and you're getting results, please comment. Or if you know this secret before now, please comment. Let me know. I want to hear your comment. Comment Fiverr. Comment Fiverr on this video. Comment Fiverr on this video. And please subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that secret like this, when we release them, you will be able to be the first to know what is going on and put into action. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.